Witness the power of nature at
Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to take you on a brief journey to one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders of the world, Niagara Falls. Straddling the border between the United States and Canada, this iconic cascade is a breathtaking spectacle of nature's power and beauty. Niagara Falls comprises three distinct waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. The Horseshoe Falls, with its massive curve, is the largest and most powerful of the three, plunging over 167 feet into the swirling waters below. The sheer volume of water, about 750,000 gallons per second, makes it one of the most voluminous waterfalls in the world. This majestic sight was formed during the last ice age, approximately 12,000 years ago, as glaciers receded and carved out the Niagara Gorge. Over time, the relentless force of the water has shaped the landscape, creating the stunning view we marvel at today. Beyond its geological marvel, Niagara Falls holds a special place in the hearts of millions. It attracts tourists from around the globe, offering a range of experiences, from the exhilarating Maid of the Mist boat rides that bring visitors close to the thundering falls, to the serene observation points, where one can appreciate the sheer scale and majesty of the natural wonder. Niagara Falls is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a symbol of natural grandeur and resilience. It reminds us of the raw, untamed beauty of our planet and the importance of preserving such wonders for future generations. So next time you find yourself in the vicinity of Niagara Falls, take a moment to appreciate the splendor and raw power of nature. It's a reminder of the extraordinary beauty that exists in our world and the delicate balance that sustains it. Thank you.